Hello everybody, my name is Emile Claesson and I just came out of the I Am Pro workshop with Emma Yenti and Raisa Nanda, and I want to share my transformation because I came to the workshop feeling a bit in this contract, a bit close, a bit not so fully open. And as I went through this journey, number one, I had so much fun, but number two, and this is really what I feel after the workshop, is that I feel more free to be myself authentically. And I think this is the most beautiful gift that Emma and Raisa are giving in this I'm Pro workshop, is the freedom to be you, because that's really what we desire. And not only that, but you can see it in the people participating, how when they came in with that inner critic and then leave completely liberated, completely free, more connected to oneself and also with others. And this just happens in this time that they are facilitating. And not only that, but together combined, they can completely charge a whole town, because their energy is so contagious, it's so activating, but it is also so grounded and embodied in their experience. And I felt that for the I'm Pro workshop, it's so important because you feel safe. The moment you feel safe, you can be authentically you, and you can start to embody that safety within you. So I just want to give thanks so much for this workshop, and I'm definitely gonna join again. And I had such a wonderful experience. On top of this, I also want to share that the first time I went to I'm Pro workshop, from there I was able to tap into a deeper listening of myself, and because able to do that, I was able to trust myself to also go and create my own workshop. So right now I'm also a facilitator, facilitating programs, workshops, courses, and writing books, because it gave me the ability to trust myself deeper. And this is also what I felt in from this workshop recently, was that once again, just to give myself the permission to be myself. That is my only limitation in life, is how often can I give myself permission to finish the book, to finish the workshop, to actually try to send that email, to make my dreams come true. And yeah, once again, I feel like that was a great internal success, but also external, and infinitely thankful for the inspiration that this has brought into my life. So thank you, Emma, so much. Thank you, Raisa, so much, for just being you. You're really what is bringing this change for others, and I thank you. Thank you for this.